Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Boat. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project, but before starting the video, I would like to ask you that if you are new in my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the further notifications. So let's start the review. Before starting the video, I would like to ask you that I'm not their financial advisor, I'm just telling about their amazing project. First, we have some information about who is Fedi. Fedi, the charismatic cat with his trusty emotional support hot dog. Born from the coast and chatter of the crypto universe, Fedi is here to redefine community-driven meme coin. How to buy? Copy address below, send Solana to the address below, use only Solana wallet. One Sol is equal to 50,000 for dollar. You can also buy on Phantom and buy on Solana. Next we have their contract address. You can also check their contract address. Next we have their Fedinomics. Total supply, you can also check their total supply. 55% pre-sale, 30% liquidity, 12% marketing, 3% airdrop, 0% tax, LP burn, mint revoke. Roadmap: onboarding marketers, goal with proven track record and partnership on launch. NFT on second phase, the first cat to hit 1 billion MC. You can also check their partners from here. Legal disclaimer: Fedi represents a charmingly eccentric cat with no lofty financial promises attached. By investing in Fedi, you willingly embrace the playful journey of the Further community, where camaraderie regions supreme over financial expectations. Welcome to the world of Fedi, where joy and silliness abound. You can also join their social platforms like their Twitter account and their Telegram community. You must join their Telegram community for latest updates. Next I'm showing you their Binance Squad. Fedi the cat, the next game cat meme coin. Fedi, the latest sensation in the world of cryptocurrency, with its upcoming pre-sale launch. Fedi aims to revolutionize the meme coin market by bringing a fresh approach and unique features to the table. Let's delve into the potential that Fedi holds and why it's poised to make waves in the crypto space. Meet Fedi, the charismatic cat with his truly emotional support hot dog. Born from the joys and chatter of the crypto universe, Fedi is here to redefine community-driven meme coin, as I already told you. You can also check their tokenomics, their total supply allocations. Unpurchased pre-sale tokens will be burned to benefit holders. Roadmap: Fedi's journey begins with a strategic partnership including renowned key opinion leaders, calls, proven marketers, and collaboration with Godbit hedge fund. The goal is to skyrocket the initial market cap, giving pre-sale holder a significant advantage and peace of mind. NFT and more partnership await in our future chapters, signaling a new era in crypto. Public pre-sale details. Already told you their public pre-sale details. Unpurchased token will be destroyed post pre-sale, maintaining limited supply and potential value appreciation for holders. You can also join their social links from here and further more details from here. This is an amazing project. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video. Bye.